Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix charging issue in your Redmi A5 smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. If you are facing a not charging problem or anything else, so firstly you have to check your cable. If it is broken inside and it is not charging your device, sometimes adapter may be damaged from inside if it is not charging, so there will be no problem inside the smartphone. You have to check your adapter with another smartphone, and if it is okay, then you can check your mobile phone then. So sometimes it is a bug or lag that may cause it will not charge your smartphone. Then you have to go to the settings, click on applications, then click on see all applications. So here will be the showing, just write here Google Play Services. Don't play games while charging your smartphone, this will damage your battery for long term purposes, and this will fix it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.